Hey, good morning, guys. What's going on? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Your old buddy Tim back. I feel like I'm at the news desk because I'm doing that. Hey, hope you're having a great day. This is video number 2 in the 4-part series on whether or not a career in real estate is right for you. You may be thinking about going into real estate for whatever reason. Now, in the last video, we talked about the first 5 things you need to think about, and they were, if you haven't watched that video, go watch it now. Number 1, why real estate? Why are you interested in going into real estate? What are your goals? Personal, professional, long and short term? Are you going to work full or part-time? Will it be a career or a hobby? And what experience do you bring to the table? So again, that was video 1. Go give that a look if you missed it. In this video, the next 5 things I want to talk about are this. First of all, are you a go-getter? Are you self-motivated? Do you have the ability to get up every morning, leave the cave, kill something, and drag it back home? Or are you one of those folks that needs motivation? You know, you need someone to wake you up in the morning to get you started. If you are not a self-motivator, a go-getter, do not go into real estate. Next, how much time can you devote to your new career? Now, in the last video, we talked about full or part-time, but you need to realistically look at how much time can you devote to everything that you have to do, because real estate is not a 9-to-5 job. There are days when I work 12, 14 hours. I have been on the phone with clients as late as midnight. I actually had a client call me at 11 o'clock one night to come let them in their house because they had a little too much and lost their key. So how much time can you devote? Of course, the more time you put in, the more progress you're probably going to make and the more results you get. So are you able to do it even full-time? Sometimes it's 50, 60 hours a week, or do you just have a little spare time here and there? So how much time can you afford? Next, speaking of afford, can you afford the dues, the schools, all of the costs that are going to be associated with getting your license and getting started? That's going to cost you probably several $1,000s just to get through the school, get licensed, pay the association dues. Do you have that money? Can you afford to do that? And this one kind of goes in hand, is how much money can you devote to marketing, branding? You're going to have to do business cards, signs, lock boxes. So how much can you afford when it comes to school, the dues, and then the marketing and branding? And finally, number 10, I think, I've lost count. Are you a people person? Do you genuinely enjoy interacting with people, even though sometimes that interaction is not nice? Now, you got to remember, we're in a sales business. Negotiations are key. Buyers want more than sometimes than it's worth. Sellers want to pay a whole lot less. There is tension. It is a business in which there is always negotiation and arguments, and even on the best of days, it can test your tolerance. So are you a people person? Are you comfortable interacting with people? Can you talk to anyone? Are you an introvert or an extrovert? And if you are introverted, can you at least act like an extrovert in order to make the sale? So there you go. Those are the next 5. Are you a go-getter? How much time can you devote to your career? Can you afford the schooling and the dues? Can you afford the marketing and branding? Again, you're going to spend several $1,000s just getting out of the gate. And number 10, are you a people person? All right. So in the next video, we're going to talk more about your network and your sphere of influence, how many people you know, that sort of thing. So again, I'm going to cut this off here. This is video 2 of 4. If you would like to talk about starting a career in real estate, I'm always happy to sit down with you and be brutally honest about the industry and what it takes to survive. And I'm more than happy to listen to what you have in mind. You can give me a call, 679-0704. Email me, tim@revolved.com. And if you are already a licensed agent and you are interested in joining what I think is the fastest growing company in town, again, give me a call, 679-0704. Email tim@revolved.com. All right. Have a great day. Next video coming your way soon.